In this video, I will share with you guys 5 winter room decorating ideas. Hey guys, hope you're having a fantastic day. In this video, I will show you 5 room decors winter edition. But before I start, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Alright, hope you're feeling crafty and let's get started. Let's start off with this cute snowman. Take white wool and cut a small piece and keep it nearby. And wrap some wool 100 times around 4 of your fingers. Secure it with this piece and make a really tight knot. Cut through the loops and trim the ends until it's in a round shape. Make another pom-pom, but this time wrap it around 2 of your fingers 50 times. We need a small pom-pom. The big one is going to be the snowman's body and the small one is going to be its head. Then glue them together using a hot glue gun. Glue 2 eyes, a red rhinestone and 3 rhinestones of different colors to represent buttons. Then wrap a ribbon around its neck and make a knot so it looks like a scarf. And we are pretty much done. If you want, you can glue small twigs as its arm, but these can easily break, so I didn't glue them. I made a small one, but you can make big ones too. Put them on shelves as a decor. Next, we'll make these snowflakes. You'll need a lot of popsicle sticks. Paint all of them white. Painting them will take some time, but after that they will look more pretty. Here are mine. Start forming snowflakes and glue them using hot glue gun. Honestly, it was so much fun forming different types of snowflakes. The designs were endless. I actually ran out of sticks, but I definitely wanted to make more. As you can see, I used these on a dark background, but if you're gonna put them on white background, use light blue color. That would also look cute. Next, I will show you how to make this garland. Print all the letters. As you see, I printed Stay Cozy. Cut each letter out in a rectangle shape with same dimensions. And then cut it in this 5-sided shape. Now it's time to make pom-poms. I'm making 2 in blue and 4 in white. I wrapped them around 2 of my fingers 50 times, but honestly, you can do whatever feels right to you. Put your letters upside down and flip them. Take a string and cut it accordingly. Find the middle of the string and start gluing the letters. You need to glue them backwards so when you finish gluing them, they are in the right order. After gluing the letters, glue the pom-poms too. Here's the last one and we are done. Time to make this cute winter pillow. Take a plain pillow cover and using wool, simply write something related to winter. You can write warm and cozy, warm winter wishes, happy holidays. I'll be writing let it snow. Honestly, I don't know why I chose this one. It actually doesn't snow here. Does it snow where you live? Well, we're almost done. You can customize it the exact way you want it. Looks perfect for winter. Next, we will make this 3D snowflake. You will need 6 equal squares. Take one, fold it in half, and after every 1.5 cm, make a mark. Draw the lines of each mark. Take scissors to make cuts on the lines, but don't cut these all the way. Leave a bit on the top. Unfold it and start gluing both same size strips together. One at the front and one at the back. Front, back, front, back. Make more of these to make a snowflake. And then glue all 6 of them together. You can attach a string and hang it as well. video. Don't forget to like this video